As Maricopa continues to grow, so does the activity that comes with a thriving community, new housing developments, busier streets, and more vibrant neighborhood life. While this progress brings convenience and opportunity, it also introduces one common challenge for homeowners: unwanted noise. Whether it's traffic from nearby roads, construction sounds, or lively neighborhood gatherings, excessive noise can interrupt your comfort and peace at home. Fortunately, modern soundproof door replacements offer an elegant solution, combining noise reduction with style, security, and energy efficiency. Here's how soundproof door replacement can make your Maricopa home quieter, more comfortable, and better suited for modern living. Why soundproofing matters in growing communities. With Maricopa's continued expansion, many neighborhoods are closer to business centers, new roads, and shared recreational areas. This proximity is great for convenience, but it also means increased noise levels that can impact your home environment. Excessive noise doesn't just affect comfort. Studies show it can disrupt sleep, concentration, and relaxation. Soundproof doors help restore that sense of tranquility by blocking outside sounds before they enter your living space. Whether you work from home, have young children, or simply enjoy a peaceful retreat after a busy day, investing in soundproof door replacements ensures your home remains your quiet sanctuary. Understanding how soundproof doors work. Soundproof doors are designed with specialized materials and construction techniques that absorb and block sound waves. Unlike standard doors, they include solid cores made from dense materials that prevent sound transmission, sealed perimeters with acoustic weather stripping to close gaps where sound can leak, multi-layered panels or composite materials that diffuse vibrations and reduce resonance, optional acoustic glass inserts for doors with windows or sidelights. When installed professionally, these features work together to significantly lower the level of exterior noise that reaches your indoor spaces, ideal for Maricopa's active residential environments. Popular soundproof door options for Maricopa homes. Homeowners in Maricopa have several stylish and effective options when it comes to soundproof door replacements, depending on location and home design. Fiberglass doors. Fiberglass is one of the most popular materials for Arizona homes because it's durable, energy efficient, and resistant to warping in dry climates. Many fiberglass models feature solid cores and insulated layers, offering excellent soundproofing along with superior weather resistance. Solid wood doors. Wood doors are timeless and naturally dense, making them great at absorbing sound. With modern ceiling systems and weather stripping, they can achieve excellent noise reduction while adding warmth and character to your home's entryway. Steel doors. For homeowners who prioritize both security and soundproofing, steel doors offer unbeatable strength. When paired with insulated foam cores, steel doors provide superior acoustic control while keeping your home safe and energy efficient. Interior soundproof doors. If you're looking to reduce noise between rooms, such as home offices, media rooms, or bedrooms, interior soundproof doors with acoustic panels or laminated cores are excellent options for maintaining privacy and comfort throughout your home. The benefits beyond noise reduction. While noise control is the main advantage, soundproof doors provide many additional benefits that make them a valuable upgrade for Maricopa homeowners. Improved energy efficiency. The same insulation that blocks sound also keeps indoor temperatures stable, reducing cooling costs in Maricopa's hot climate. Enhanced security. Solid core and steel door options offer greater resistance to forced entry. Increased privacy. Soundproof doors reduce the transmission of conversations and media sounds between rooms. Boosted home value. As noise reduction and energy efficiency become more desirable, homes with upgraded doors often stand out in the market. Soundproof door replacement is not only about creating a quieter home, it's about enhancing your overall quality of life. Why professional installation matters. Even the best soundproof door can't perform as intended if it's not installed correctly. Gaps, misalignment, or improper sealing can all let noise leak through. That's why working with local Maricopa door installation experts is essential. Local professionals understand the area's construction styles, weather patterns, and building standards. They'll ensure your new door is installed with precision, properly sealed, and fitted with the right acoustic materials for your specific needs. By choosing a professional installer, you'll enjoy optimal soundproofing performance, along with a door that looks great and lasts for years. Final thoughts: as Maricopa's communities grow and neighborhoods become livelier, maintaining peace and quiet at home is more important than ever. Soundproof door replacements offer an effective, stylish, and long-lasting way to block unwanted noise while improving energy efficiency and security. By partnering with local experts who understand Maricopa's environment, you can enjoy a professionally installed door that keeps your home serene, comfortable, and beautiful, no matter what's happening outside. With the right soundproof door, your home remains exactly what it should be: a peaceful retreat in the heart of Maricopa's thriving community.